Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are exploring a gaming ecosystem that combines fast-paced mobile competition with a purpose-built utility token, Snake Online, powered by MXR Token. This project focuses on player engagement, ecosystem growth and long-term development rather than short-term hype. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let me clear that this video content is shared for educational and informational purpose only and should not be considered as financial advice. Always research independently before participating in any project. Viewers, Snake Online is a modern take on the classic Snake game, rebuilt as a live multiplayer experience. Players jump into active arenas, gather resources, and increase their size and face off against competition from across the globe. In real time, the game includes rank leaderboard, various gameplay modes, responsive controls, and vehicle customization through skin and power-ups, designed to suit both casual players and competitive gamers. Snake Online offers quick matches as well as extended sessions for those who enjoy climbing rankings and complete challenges. The Android version is already available on the Google Play, allowing players to start playing instantly on the mobile. The Snake Online game and the MXR token are designed as the connected parts of the ecosystem. Gameplay activity feeds into token system, while the token enhances how players interact with the game. Progress, participation, and events are all tied together through this shared structure. This creates a loop where playing the game supports ecosystem engagement and ecosystem involvement, adds depth to the gameplay experience, encouraging long-term participation from both players and community members. You can check out world ranking. You can compete with the players worldwide, rise through the ranks and trophies, and become the ultimate stake champions. Here you can also check out the ranking, and here you can also check out the other details. Online Snake is available on Google Play Store, and it is also available on the Apple Store. You can download it. Getting started with Snake Online is straightforward. Players can open the Google Play Store or Apple Store and download the application, search for Snake Online and download the app. Their Android devices. Once installed, you can choose a game mode, enter live matches and begin competing against players worldwide. The controls are simple to learn, making the game accessible for newcomers while still rewarding skilled Viewers, MXR is a utility token that powers the Snake Online ecosystem built on the Solana blockchain. It benefits from fast processing speeds and low transaction cost, making it suitable for regular in-game attractions. The MXR presale is planned to begin on January 15, 2026, starting with the first phase of a structured release model. Rather than existing as a passive digital asset, MXR is designed to be used actively, supporting gameplay features, ecosystem functions, and community interaction within a single connected system. So here you can check out the exclusive resale opportunity. Entry into the ecosystem begins through the MXR private coin sale hosted on the Solana network. The pre-sale follows a tiered pricing model starting at $0.075 in stage 1 and gradually rising to $0.250 by stage 3. A three-stage vesting structure in place to promote balanced distribution and long-term sustainability. The pre-sale platform sports commonly used wallets such as Phantoms, hopefully or any that is compatible to it, offering a straightforward experience for users who understand the risk associated with early participation. So here you can see that after connecting your wallet, you can get MXR. So for example, if we have just 250 SOL, we can get 93,060 MXR. So you must have souls in your wallet. Here you can also check out its current price, and the next take price is going to be expected at 0.150 USDT. So in this way, you can participate in the pre-sale. The user interface is very cool, and here you can also check out the Spot and Solana wallets, Phantom, Solfilea, Trust Wallet, Backpack, Coinbase, and many more. You can also check out other features here. You can also check out the pre-sale structure, Stage 1, Stage 2, and Stage 3. And here you can also check out Safety First feature. The Snake Online ecosystem operates on a clearly defined and sustainability-focused token model. MXR has a fixed token supply of 1 billion tokens, with allocation designed to emphasize community participation. 40% of the supply is reserved specifically for game rewards, reinforcing the project players' centered approach. All funds generated are planned to be reinvested into ecosystem development, including game improvements, marketing efforts, and liquidity support. With Mint Authority disabled, the supply remains capped, supporting transparency and predictability over time. You can check out the Tokenomics game reward share: 40% liquidity, 20% treasury, 15% team vested share, 10% pre-sale share, 10% airdrop, 5%. The use of funds has also been at play here. You can check out the detail of the roadmap. Snake Online is positioned to grow beyond a single mobile game into a broader competitive gaming universe. The roadmap is structured across 3 phases. Phase 1 delivered successful launch of own iOS and Android, featuring live multiplayer gameplay and global rankings. The project is now progressing into ecosystem expansion phase, introducing token integration and a dedicated marketplace that links gameplay with digital ownership. Future plans include expansion to platforms such as Nintendo Store and smart TVs. The additional title, Hexa Arena, is also in the development and will operate within the same ecosystem, sharing rewards and progressing system. It's Snake Online, coming soon, feature Hexa Arena. MXR is built around a strong utility-first design with ecosystem. The token unlocks access to special game modes, limited time events, and premium cosmetic enhancements that allow players to customize their experience. Beyond gameplay, MXR also enables community involvement through governance features, allowing participation to influence future updates and ecosystem direction. Here you can check out the Telegram community of the MXR. I would like to recommend all my viewers to join the Telegram community, and you can also follow MXR Token on Facebook. And here you can also check out the Snake Online War multiplayer on YouTube. I would like to recommend all my viewers to subscribe the YouTube channel of Snake Online, and here you can also check out MXR Token on Twitter. So following Twitter serve as the central hub for communication and updates. Viewers, Snake Online and MXR together form an ecosystem that connects competitive mobile gaming with real utility and community participation. With live multiplayer gameplay, a defined token structure, and a forward-looking roadmap, the project is built with long-term engagement in mind. If this breakdown helped you understand the ecosystem, feel free to like and share the video, subscribe my YouTube channel so others can discover it as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next upload. Take care.